If you're watching this video, you probably want to become a freelancer. With work from home on the rise, more and more teenagers are starting their freelancing careers, and for good reason. Not only is it easy to start and requires no experience, and with zero investment, you can earn around $300,000 a year. And you know what? You can start freelancing with absolutely no skill. Isn't that amazing? However, if you're good at something, you can sell that as a service. But even if you're not, no worries. Many services don't require you to learn a particular skill set. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Let's Talk Success. We cover everything related to ways to make money online, new business ideas with low investments, how to start an online business, how to grow online, entrepreneurial mindset, and so much more. If you do enjoy this content and learn something new from this video, please do consider dropping a like on this video. It would help our channel to grow. In this video, you'll find out how you can start freelancing. Let's start with the basics first and tell you how freelancing works. Freelancing is a remote job where a freelancer works independently rather than for someone else. In fact, the best thing about freelancing is that you are your own boss. So it's you who decides everything. Things like when you want to work, how much you want to be paid, and who to work with. What else do you need? Most people think freelancing is a job since many freelancers work on contract terms with businesses. However, since freelancers are not bound to work for a certain period or just one client at a time, they are essentially self-employed and their own boss. Besides, as a freelancer, you depend on yourself for everything. For instance, set your own working hours, bill clients, keep track of deadlines, and you have to pay your own business tax. But before you start daydreaming about bathing in dollars, remember, freelancing requires a lot of dedication, responsibility, and hard work to reap its benefits. Can anyone start freelancing? Absolutely. Freelancing is open to everyone regardless of age. Whether you're a 9-to-5 adult looking to use your extra time, housewife, retired personnel, or a teen, and you don't need to learn a particular skill or invest any money. Do you need any more reasons to start it already? Did you know that an average freelancer is 32 years old? Now, what does this mean for you? This means if you start at 18 or 20, you have a wider scope, and by the time you're 30, you will have around 10 to 12 year experience to your name. With everything said, there is a catch. Freelancing platforms in the USA don't allow youngsters below 18 years of age to legally work on online platforms such as Upwork, People Per Hour, or Simply Hired. Since signing up on this site means you have to adhere to privacy policies and sign legal contracts, teens are discouraged from doing so before turning 18. The good news is there are still some platforms that enable teenagers as young as 13 years of age to start their freelancing career. Stay tuned as we reveal the top websites for you to begin your freelancing career as young as 13. Now, let's see some good reasons why youngsters should consider freelancing. Number 1, you can start earning early. We usually see our teens involved in grunt work, which is usually at the lower corporate ladder. But when you work as a freelancer, you're paid for the quality of work you provide and not your age or experience. And while you may be paid less initially, there is a lot of growth and you will see yourself earning a good income with consistent efforts within a year. An average freelancer earns $25 per hour, and many niches such as graphic designs may go higher. Number 2, become more responsible. While pay is a good incentive to start working as a freelancer, you also learn the value of being responsible that you can't do on a traditional job. Even though every job will require you to respect reporting on time and ensure deadlines, you worry about how your clients evaluate your performance and rate your services as a freelancer. So you take care of deadlines and give your best to every task. Moreover, if you want to excel as a freelancer, you have to learn to do everything independently, as you won't have a mentor or a supervisor breathing down your neck or telling you what to do. Number 3, gain confidence. In traditional jobs, if you stop working, you don't get paid. As a freelancer, you have to regularly search for clients to get the work going or maintain your performance with the current clients for a long-term relationship. This direct client interaction increases your confidence over time, and when people appreciate you for the quality of your work, you realize what you're capable of. As promised, here are the top 3 websites that are open to all ages, even teens. Let's find out more about them. What are the top websites to start? Guru. This platform is used by around 3 million freelancers for writing, sales, and marketing, programming, design, etc. What's more, Guru is cost-effective and offers flexible payment plans to its users like hourly rates, fixed prices, or task-based pricing. Besides, it's a great place for newbies as it has more opportunities with less competition. Fiverr. If you're eager to start your freelancing career in your teens, Fiverr is the ideal platform for you. Youngsters of 13 years or more can quickly sign up on Fiverr. However, it's slightly different from other freelancing platforms. Users need to create gigs for their services rather than applying to a job board. While you will find thousands of gigs in specific niches, many are still in demand and have many new opportunities for beginners. Make sure to watch our video that reveals everything you need to know to start earning money on Fiverr. Freelancer.com. This is another excellent platform for beginners of all ages. However, teenagers can sign up only after they turn 16. This platform provides jobs in the form of projects, which are basically a job application system. The other way is in contests, where freelancers showcase their previous work and clients choose among them. High-demand freelancing jobs. Now you might be thinking where to start. Here, we bring you some high-selling and low-competition services that are ideal for beginners like you. Content writing. Although there are many writers on almost every freelancing platform, the demand for content writing seems to be staggering in the recent years. Since it's a vast field, there are many opportunities to grow with content writing in 2021. Translation jobs. Language translation is one of the most popular services on Upwork and Fiverr these days. So if you have a good grip on at least 2 different languages, you just need to create a gig and start selling this service. YouTube intros. You can create and sell YouTube video intros on freelancing platforms without any prior knowledge. There are plenty of free software that provides free tools, templates, and editors that can help you tap into your creative side and design compelling videos. Software testing. Many businesses need to test their apps, programs, or website usability from time to time. You can offer them your services to test the technology and provide your review. What's more, you don't need to worry about acquiring any skills since the client will give out all the information you need. How can you grow as a freelancer? Whatever niche you select, always remember growing as a freelancer involves determination, time, and hard working. Is that all? Just a few other things that you need to do to achieve that steady growth curve. Maintain and improve your skills. If you want to excel at what you do, you must maintain your performance and the quality of work your clients are used to getting from you. Ask for regular feedback. Try to work on them to improve your skills. Read online or acquire new skills to outperform your competition. Increase your pay rate. You're never really going to grow if you're stuck at the same rate for a long period. Ensure to regularly review what others in your field are charging, since this tells you what your client is willing to pay for that work, and increase your rate accordingly. Focus on long-term clients. Try to grab long-term clients. One way to do this is to satisfy your current clients with your performance, so they might want to work with you in the future too. Otherwise, contract-based projects require freelancers to work for a year or so and pay more. Freelancing is a lucrative and learning opportunity for everyone, no matter which part of the world you belong to or how old you are. Although, like every work, it needs you to invest time and effort, but rest assured it's definitely worth it. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Bye!